As you all know, Attack on Titan is back, and its fourth season has fallen more riled up than ever before. The show has spent nearly a decade stringing fans along, but that will come to an end eventually. The debut of Attack on Titan was scheduled on 7 December, and as you all saw, that Attack on Titan Season 4 Episode 1 was a hit on the internet and it blew up among all the people, and everyone absolutely enjoyed that episode. But still, many fans have questioned about how many episodes there will be in the Attack on Titan Season 4, and as we all know, the manga of Attack on Titan is still going on. So people have questions like how they are going to cover up in the just one season. So in this video we are going to talk about that, including how many episodes there will be in this season and what they are going to do, how many chapters are getting covered in one episode, and all that kind of stuff. So without any further ado, let's start with our video. On the 7th of December, Attack on Titan Season 4 first episode went live. The anime's official website posted the detail over the Japan. It was there fans learned Attack on Titan Season 4 will contain 2 Blu-ray volumes for a total of 16 episodes. And yes, you did heard that right. Attack on Titan is only listed for 16 episodes for this season, and fans have a whole lot of questions. After all, this short of an order is unheard of for Attack on Titan. In season 4, 39 chapters were covered from the manga, and it took 22 episodes to do so. Even then, a lot of content was cut out, so fans are unsure what is up with the season 4. The final season must cover up over 45 chapters, and in 16 episodes that is not possible. Of course, fans do have guesses as to why this order is short. The most prevalent theory is that Attack on Titan Season 4 will be split into two parts. Sword Art Online underwent this treat with its latest season, and it gave the production enough time to handle its massive workload. A split season would explain this short order, but so would a movie too. Yes guys, there are chances that the Attack on Titan will be split into one movie and one season, which we are currently watching right now. There is always a chance that Attack on Titan could adapt its final arc in movie format. But for now, fans will have to wait and see what happens once the season 4 gets near its midpoint. And of course, it is not possible to cover up almost 45 chapters in just 16 episodes. And of course, they are not gonna cut so much of content in the season 4 too. So that's out of question. As we all saw, the episode 1 of the season 4 covered up 2 chapters, which is 91 chapter and 92 chapter. And the Attack on Titan manga is currently at 135 chapter. So I'm gonna talk a little bit about spoiler guys, so if you have read the manga, you should keep watching this video because I'm gonna break down at which point the season 4 is gonna end up. So if you haven't read the manga, you should stop the video right now. Alright, so as I said, first episode covered up 2 chapters per episode, but it is not, I don't think it will be like that till the end. Some episodes might cover up more chapters, or some episodes might cover up even just 1 chapter or even half chapter. Maybe, I don't know, anything can happen. But if we will consider a possibility that each episode is covering up 2 chapters per episode, then we can easily determine that at around 16 episode, which is the end of the season 4, will be cliffhangered by the Eren transforming into Founding Titan and then starting the rumbling, and we will be left on the cliffhanger at that point. And I think whatever that happens after the rumbling will be converted into the second season or movie, as I said before. But as we all manga readers know, that after the rumbling there is not much left for the series to go out, so I think that's why they are going to make a movie instead of a season. So that was my guess according to the first episode, which covered up 2 chapters, and this was the thing that I concluded according to this, how the season is going to end. What do you think? Do you have your own opinions about it, how they are going to end the season? Are they going to create a movie or split season? Let me know your opinions in the comment section down below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post daily anime content about top 10 top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations, and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So that was for the video guys. If you enjoyed, please subscribe, and that was it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.